A pretty classic pasta salad. Garlic, microplane, very thin. This is the start of the dressing. Red wine vinegar in with the garlic. Nice pinch of salt in with the garlic, about a 4-finger pinch. About 4 turns of the pepper mill. Now I'm gonna add some fresh herbs to the situation. I'm gonna put the oregano in now because it's a heartier herb. It kind of releases flavor slower. And then I'll finish with basil and a little bit of flat leaf parsley. I'm giving this a little finer cut than I usually do with herbs. Just gonna make sure I give the board a good scrape so I make sure I get any of those oils that may have came out of the herb into our dressing. That goes in. And now we're just gonna start to whisk with our sour cream. So the first thing is we have the oregano, the salt, pepper, the red wine vin. Sour cream is gonna add a tartness to this, but it's also gonna add a very nice creamy mouthfeel to our pasta salad. So we whisk that in. 1 part acid, which is our vinegar, 2 parts fat, which is our olive oil, and you have a vinaigrette. Okay. So now we have the orecchiette. When you think of pastas that are with sauces, when the sauce is hearty, the pasta is hearty. So, Liv, the more delicate the sauce, the more delicate the noodle. So this looks a little soupy now, but it's gonna absorb that sauce. So I'm gonna set this to the side. Got a good amount of knife work here to do. So we're just gonna get going on that. The basil and the flat leaf parsley are gonna go in at the end. So I'm gonna dice the onion. So for a dice, cut it in half. We leave the root side on. We go through with the knife, spin it so the root's facing away from us, straight down, 90% of the way to the root. And then we just go away and we have this perfect little dice. All right, cucumber. You know, we wanna kind of keep everything around the same size here, so I'm gonna quarter these. And then we'll put like a square kind of dice situation on these. And just like that.
Are those cherry tomatoes?
These are cherry tomatoes from the garden. I'm just splitting them in half. They are like sugar bombs. They're so sweet. Now everything is in our tomato salad other than those fresh herbs. We'll get this tossed, add the herbs at the very end before we serve it. Could you put the fresh herbs with the pasta salad? We got a nice handful of basil there and a nice handful of flat leaf parsley.
I still love it, but I love it more with the addition of the parsley and the basil.